Welcome to RYFA Stock Market. Today we will talk about how to become a successful trader. I will give some great tips to do so. But before we start, please do me a favor. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks. Becoming a successful trader requires a combination of knowledge, skills, discipline, and the ability to manage risk. Here are some steps and tips to help you on your journey to becoming a successful trader. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of financial markets, trading instruments, and various trading strategies. Understand fundamental and technical analysis to make informed trading decisions. Choose your market. Focus on a specific market or asset class. Whether it's stocks, forex, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, specializing can help you develop expertise. Develop a trading plan. Create a well-defined trading plan that includes your risk tolerance, financial goals, and strategy. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. Risk management. Manage your risk effectively by setting stop-loss orders and not risking more than a small percentage of your trading capital on any single trade. Start small. Begin with a small amount of capital, especially if you are a beginner. This allows you to gain experience without risking substantial amounts of money. Continuous learning. Stay informed about market trends, news, and events that can impact your chosen assets. Markets are dynamic and staying current is crucial. Backtesting. Test your trading strategy using historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This can help you identify strengths and weaknesses in your approach. Demo trading. Practice your trading strategy in a simulated environment before risking real money. This can help you refine your approach and gain confidence. Emotional control. Keep emotions in check. Fear and greed can lead to poor decision-making. Stick to your trading plan and don't let emotions dictate your actions. Continuous evaluation. Regularly evaluate your performance and learn from both successful and unsuccessful trades. Adapt and refine your strategies based on your experiences. Stay disciplined. Follow your trading plan rigorously. Avoid deviating from your strategy based on short-term market fluctuations or emotions. Stay informed. Be aware of global economic and political events that may impact the financial markets. Stay informed about the companies or assets you are trading. Network and seek advice. Connect with other traders, join forums, and seek advice from experienced individuals. Learning from others' experiences can be valuable. Adaptability. Markets change and what works today may not work tomorrow. Be adaptable and willing to adjust your strategies as market conditions evolve. Patience. Success in trading takes time. Be patient, and don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks. Stick to your plan and continue learning. Remember, there's no guarantee of success in trading, and losses are a part of the process. It's essential to approach trading with a realistic mindset and a commitment to continuous improvement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to visit us at www.rifastories.com and our mailing list, rifa2005yahoo.com. See you next time for a great new episode like that. Please subscribe. Thanks.